Hey everyone and welcome back. In the last video we explored in theory all about the Playwright MCP and why the accessibility tree is a game changer for AI driven automation. In this video today we are going to see it in action. Yes, I will show you exactly how to install the Playwright MCP server in your local VS Code environment using a single command, and then we will run a live demo to prove that it is working. So this is an important step to building your own AI automation workflows. So let's get started. Before we jump in, you will need three things. The first one is the Node.js and npm. So check that you have the node by typing this node space dash v and then npm space dash v. So make sure you have both these things. If you have it, it will print the version. If you don't have, install it as shown here. And the third thing you need is the GitHub Copilot extension inside the VS Code. So you can go to the extension and search and then install. So I have the GitHub Copilot chat installed here. So if you have these things, let's move on to the next step. So once you have these, so open the terminal. You can simply say go to the command palette by pressing the command shift P or control shift P if you are using Windows, and then type terminal, and then you can say create a new terminal, and you will get something like this. So using a single command we are going to install the Playwright MCP server. So I have the command ready, and the VS Code CLI is the one I'm going to use. This is the code space dash dash add MCP, and we are specifying the name as Playwright, giving a name. You can give any name, and then the command is npx with the arguments that says get the latest Playwright MCP. Sometimes if this is the first time you're running this command, you might get an error saying command code not found. To fix that issue, you need to go to the command palette and then type shell, and then select the shell command, install code command in path, and you will get a success message. Click OK and then come back and then run the command. So you will get a message added the MCP server's Playwright. And if you go to the extensions tab and then under the MCP servers installed, you will see the Playwright. So that confirms that we have successfully installed it. So the Playwright MCP server is installed, but it is not started. To start the server, you need to click on the settings and then say start server, and you will get the status here saying it is started and is running and discovered 24 tools. So it is ready to, so it is up and running. Now for the fun part, the live demo. So open the GitHub Copilot chat window in the VS Code and then give a simple natural language prompt that you will give. And this is a plain English, and I have the prompt here. And what we are going to tell the Playwright MCP, and we are going to tell the GitHub Copilot this prompt saying using the Playwright tool, navigate to the playwright.dev website and take a screenshot. And what Copilot is going to do is communicating with the MCP server, and then using the Playwright LLM engine, it is going to do everything for us just like that. No code to write. So let's see what happens. So it is saying it is working, and then it's navigating. So let me move the window so you can see the browser open. So it opened the browser, took a screenshot, and then see what happens. It says I have navigated to the website and taken the screenshot. If you need the screenshot file or to perform other actions, please let me know. So there you go. It has taken the screenshot, and you can see, and you don't see the screenshot. So we need to update the command that we seen here, the prompt that we typed before. So let me get the updated prompt. Let me close the browser here, and the updated prompt that I have here ready is, I will leave this prompt in the video description so you can try it. copy and paste it. So this time the updated prompt is using the Playwright tool in headed mode so that we can see the browser. So run it in headed mode. Navigate to the playwright.dev website and take a screenshot and save the screenshot. We give the file name, you can give any name, and then save it in the current directory. So this is our current directory components in depth, and we are asking it to save it in the root directory. So that way we can prove that the file has been created and the screenshot is what we wanted. So let's run this command. So it says to accomplish this you need a Playwright script that launches the browser and navigates. So it also says, would you like me to create a new script? If yes, please confirm the file name and let me know if you want to add it to an existing file. You can just say yes. So it's going to, because in headed mode you need a script, so it's going to created a script, and it says, do you want to run the script? Yes, because we cannot take screenshot in headless mode in this case, so it created a script. So you can see it created all the script for us, and it's also going to run the script for us. So you will get a prompt like this, just hit continue, and it's running the command. So it's running the npx tsx take screenshot, and you can see OK to proceed. Press enter, and then now it will execute the script. And the browser is opened in another monitor that I have, the extended monitor, so you don't see that browser, but it actually opened it in my other monitor, the extended monitor, and then so everything ran fine. It closed the browser, and finally when you come back here it says the screenshot has been stored in this. It finally says the screenshot has been stored in the root folder in the name screenshot.png, and we can see that the screenshot is here. And look at that, this is the playwright.dev website, and it took the screenshot of the entire page. Even it scrolled and took the entire long screenshot. So there you go guys, this is great. A brand new way, a full walkthrough on how to get the Playwright MCP server. We saw that, and then we have proved that our environment is ready for the next level of automation. In the next video we will dive into the really powerful stuff. We will move beyond simple prompts like this and then actually see how to use the Playwright MCP server to automatically generate full runnable test files for your applications. We will even try to get it out to fill out a form, so you don't want to miss it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series. Thanks for watching and happy automating.